So we've unboxed all of our components. This is the main unit, and we're going to go through each step on connecting every component to the main machine step by step. So I've got regulator, I've got the gas tube to go from the regulator to the machine, I've got a power cable, I've got power cable for the lamp, the pliers. Right, so everything's unboxed, and now we're going to connect everything to the main unit. First of all, we'll connect the handpiece to the front of the unit. This will only go one way. If it doesn't sit correctly, turn it around and you will feel it locate. And then this has a screw thread. You have to make sure this screw thread is done up tight so that no gas escapes once the machine is in operation. It's very critical this is done up tight, and it's something most people forget today. So now we're going to connect the pliers to the front of the machine. And these simply just push into there, and that's the pliers connected. Now we're going to put the clamp onto the bench. This holds the magnifying lamp in place. And this just tightens up by turning this. And make sure it's nice and secure. And the lamp simply locates into this hole, like so. And now we're going to connect the magnifying lamp to the rear of the machine. Again, this will only locate one way, and then we tighten the screw up tight. It's clearly showed on this label here with the lamp and the magnifying eye symbol. We can then put the power into the lamp. And now we'll connect the gas tube for the argon. This has to unscrew off the back of the machine. And then you place that onto the hose. And now we push the hose onto the rear of the machine with a little bit of force. And now we can screw this connector up tight. And now we connect the other end to the regulator by unscrewing the hose clamp. The same as before. And now we push the hose on tightly. And now we do the clamp up tightly, ensuring there's no gas leaks. The argon regulator simply sits on top, and then we screw this up. And then with a wrench, ensure this is done up tightly, like so. Now we're going to plug in the power lead into the back of the machine. It will come up with your read and follow the instructions. Press the material button, and now we press the settings button so that we can begin setting up the gas regulator. With the handle, we turn on the argon, and then we adjust the gas pressure to 2 litres per minute. And then we're pressing the top button to turn the gas regulator test on, and then we press the bottom button to turn the gas regulator off. Finally, we set up the handpiece by removing the end nozzle. It just slides off. We get our electrode, we insert it into the handpiece, and we set the electrode length to 14 millimeters in length. We tighten this up, finger tight, and then we press the end cap back on, and now we're set up, and that completes the setup of the machine.